just on the way to the shops to get the best ingredients for the best ginger biscuits you've ever dreamt of. We're just now at the shop. Hi, today we're making ginger cookies and your ingredients is up here, but just to show you, you need plain white flour, golden syrup, nutmeg, salt, light brown sugar, cinnamon, egg, ginger, allspice, ginger, butter, and finally bicarbonate of soda. And this is how you make it. Put your butter and your sugar in the mixer. Turn the mixer on and cream the sugar and the butter together. Turn off your mixer and add the egg, grated ginger and golden syrup. You know what? I love a bit of ginger, me.
Oh no! Oh no!
And once that's all mixed together, turn your mixer off and add your bicarbonate of soda, salt, nutmeg, ground ginger, allspice and cinnamon. Once that's all mixed together, turn it off and add all your flour. You know what? This moustache is doing my head in. Once it's formed a dough, take your mixture and pop it in a plastic bag. And once you've done that, put it in the fridge for at least 1 hour. Once your dough has been in the fridge for about an hour, separate your dough into little balls about the size of an egg. Your dough should make 15 good-sized cookies, and we're going to cook them in batches of 5. What you need to do is make them little cookie pizzas. Preheat the oven to 170 degrees. Once your 5 cookies are ready, put them in the oven for around 10 minutes and keep checking. Once your cookies are cooked, be careful because they'll be hot. Take them out of the oven and mold it like this. The bonus of this, you can eat the crust. If you followed my instructions, you should have these bad boys. Very good. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you've got any ideas of what I could cook next, drop a comment.